Did you know that just one spoonful of honey a day can work wonders for your health? Just like this adorable bear, humans have enjoyed the sweet taste of honey since ancient times. Honey, often referred to as food of the gods, is a precious gift from Mother Nature, created by millions of flights from hard-working bees. But honey isn't just a delicious treat, it's liquid gold, packed with countless unexpected benefits that you might not have heard of. So, what happens if you start eating honey every day for 30 days? From brightening your skin and improving your sleep, to aiding in weight loss and boosting your immune system, all will be revealed in today's video. Get ready to uncover the magical power of honey, a wonderful gift from Mother Nature. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss out on any of the amazing benefits honey has to offer. Let's get started. Honey is considered a precious gift from nature. It was the first natural sweetener known to humans and has always been highly valued, not only for its sweet taste, but also for its incredible healing properties. In fact, honey has even been found in ancient Egyptian pyramids, preserved for thousands of years due to its antibacterial qualities and natural preservative properties. The intricate process of honey production. Producing just 1 liter of honey is an incredibly meticulous process. Bees need to collect nectar from over 4 million flowers to produce this amount. To gather enough nectar, the hive must cover an average distance of up to 120,000 miles, equivalent to the entire lifetime journey of approximately 1,800 bees. This remarkable effort showcases the incredible dedication and hard work of bees. Nutritional benefits of honey. Humans have been using honey for its outstanding health benefits for thousands of years. While many people know that honey is good for health, not everyone understands its nutritional components to use it effectively and maximize its benefits. Nutritional composition of honey. Carbohydrates. The majority of the energy provided by honey comes from carbohydrates, accounting for about 82% of its total weight. The main component is fructose, alongside other types of sugars. The glycemic index, GI, of honey ranges from 45 to 64, depending on the type of honey and its sugar content. Fats. Honey contains no fat. However, be mindful that foods often paired with honey, such as pastries, ice cream, and candies, may contain significant amounts of fat. Proteins. Honey has only a small amount of protein. Although it is not a primary source of protein, it can still contribute a minor boost of protein intake for the body. Micronutrients. Honey is rich in B vitamins, calcium, iron, zinc, potassium, and copper, which help enhance overall health, boost energy, and support the body's natural immune system. Important notes on using honey. For healthy individuals with no blood sugar issues, consuming honey daily can be highly beneficial. It provides essential nutrients and supports the prevention and treatment of certain ailments. However, it's important to control the amount consumed, as excessive intake can increase the risk of developing diabetes. Notably, the main component of honey is fructose, which is not suitable for individuals with diabetes. If used, it should be limited to very small amounts and not consumed over an extended period. Health benefits of eating honey daily. 1. Brightening and caring for your skin. Imagine waking up every morning, looking in the mirror, and seeing tired, dry, rough, or acne-prone skin. This not only affects your appearance, but also drains your confidence, especially when these skin issues persist without a clear solution. If you've tried numerous expensive skincare products but still haven't seen results, honey, a natural ingredient, could be the key to restoring your radiant complexion. Packed with a wealth of nutrients such as antioxidants, enzymes, and amino acids, honey offers remarkable benefits for your skin that you simply cannot ignore. Natural moisturizing and brightening. Honey contains enzymes that deeply penetrate the skin, providing moisture, softness, and a natural glow without the need for chemical products. Acne treatment and deep cleansing. Struggling with acne and inflamed skin? Honey's powerful antibacterial properties help eliminate excess oil, deeply cleanse pores, prevent blockages, and effectively reduce acne. Sunburn relief and skin recovery. Suffering from sunburns or dry, irritated skin after sun exposure? Honey soothes and repairs damaged skin, bringing instant comfort and relief. Anti-aging and wrinkle reduction. Worried about wrinkles and signs of aging? Antioxidants like flavonoids and polyphenols in honey protect your skin from free radicals, boost elasticity, and diminish fine lines, helping you look more youthful. Wound healing and scar reduction. Do you have scars from acne or unhealed wounds? Honey is often called a natural moisturizer, thanks to its antioxidants and enzymes that promote rapid skin recovery and effectively fade scars. With these incredible benefits, there's no reason not to incorporate honey into your daily skincare routine. Sometimes, the secret to beautiful, healthy skin is right in your kitchen. Natural, safe, and incredibly effective. 2. Reducing anxiety and protecting the nervous system. Do you often find yourself forgetful, feeling stressed, anxious, or even struggling with insomnia? These could be signs of an overworked nervous system. Brain degeneration, oxidative stress, and nerve inflammation are silent factors that gradually impair memory and cognitive abilities, potentially leading to serious conditions like Alzheimer's or Parkinson's disease. Think of honey as a natural remedy. It can help protect your brain and effectively address these issues. Anti-inflammatory properties and nerve cell protection. Polyphenols in honey have been proven to reduce inflammation and prevent the degeneration of nerve cells, especially in the hippocampus, the brain area critical for learning and memory. This aids in enhancing cognitive function, boosting memory, and improving concentration. Preventing memory disorders. In Alzheimer's disease, amyloid beta plaques and microglial inflammation are major causes of brain damage. Polyphenols from honey can help inhibit this process, reducing plaque buildup and safeguarding the brain from severe damage. Reducing oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is a leading cause of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, mild cognitive impairment, and amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, ALS. Raw honey contains natural antioxidants that help minimize cellular damage caused by free radicals, effectively protecting the nervous system. Easing anxiety and improving mood. Raw honey isn't just beneficial for the brain, it also helps stabilize your mood. With its ability to reduce anxiety, fight infections, and prevent seizures, honey is a natural solution that promotes relaxation, aids in treating depression, and brings a sense of calm and peace. Try adding a spoonful of raw honey to your daily routine. It may seem like a small step, but it can have a significant impact, helping protect your brain health and naturally reducing stress and anxiety in a safe way. 3. Improving digestive health. Honey can help relieve constipation and bloating due to its mild laxative properties. Additionally, honey contains a high amount of probiotics, or friendly bacteria, such as bifidobacteria and lactobacilli. These beneficial bacteria support digestion, strengthen immune health, and reduce the risk of allergies. Some studies have shown that using honey instead of sugar can help reduce the harmful effects of fungal toxins produced in the intestines. Honey prevents pathogenic bacteria from adhering to intestinal cells, thereby lowering the risk of gastrointestinal infections. For optimal digestive support, it's recommended to drink a glass of warm water mixed with honey every morning, right after waking up. 4. Boosting immunity and antibacterial properties. Drinking warm water with honey daily helps the body increase its antioxidant levels, stimulating the production of antibodies and enhancing the ability to fight harmful bacteria. Thanks to its powerful antibacterial properties, honey is commonly used to soothe coughs, ease sore throats, and alleviate tonsillitis, helping you feel more comfortable and quickly relieving throat irritation. Regular consumption of honey also helps reduce excess mucus in the respiratory tract, which can be particularly beneficial for asthma patients. Honey's natural antibacterial activity is attributed to its components: hydrogen peroxide, glucose oxidase, and its low pH. This makes honey a natural antibiotic, capable of inhibiting the growth of pathogens. Clinical studies have also shown that raw honey is effective against antibiotic-resistant bacteria, such as methicillin-resistant Staphylococcus aureus, MRSA, and Pseudomonas aeruginosa. 5. Weight loss and metabolism. Boost. It may seem contradictory that eating honey, a sweet food, can actually help with weight loss. However, honey is indeed a powerful ally in supporting weight loss and boosting metabolism. Honey contains two natural sugars, fructose and glucose, which are easily absorbed by the body without causing a spike in insulin levels like refined sugar. This helps maintain stable blood sugar levels and prevents excessive cravings. The natural enzymes in honey enhance digestion, helping the body utilize energy more efficiently rather than storing it as fat. Additionally, honey helps control appetite, making you feel fuller for longer and reducing cravings for sweets. Honey also contains a small amount of vitamins and minerals, providing essential nutrients without adding too many calories. Notably, honey has special enzymes that stimulate the digestive system, further boosting metabolism. This means your body will burn more calories, even while at rest. With its ability to aid digestion and control appetite, honey is an excellent choice for a healthy diet, making it easier for you to achieve your weight loss goals. 6. Reducing cholesterol and protecting heart health. Did you know that honey is not only a sweet treat, but also has the ability to reduce bad cholesterol and protect heart health? This is not just a rumor. It's been scientifically proven by numerous studies. Bad cholesterol, LDL, is one of the primary causes of cardiovascular diseases like atherosclerosis and heart attacks. When LDL levels in the blood are high, it can accumulate in the arterial walls, forming plaques that obstruct blood flow. This can lead to high blood pressure, myocardial ischemia, and an increased risk of heart failure. However, honey contains absolutely no cholesterol. In fact, it can help reduce LDL levels due to its powerful antioxidants, such as flavonoids and polyphenols. These antioxidants protect cells from free radical damage, preventing the oxidation of LDL, a major factor in plaque formation in the arteries. As a result, honey promotes better blood flow and helps prevent artery blockages. Moreover, the natural enzymes in honey boost metabolism, aiding the body in eliminating excess cholesterol. Honey also contains fructose and glucose, which help regulate blood sugar levels, thereby indirectly stabilizing cholesterol levels. With its natural anti-inflammatory properties, honey also helps reduce inflammation in the arterial walls, a crucial factor contributing to artery blockages. This not only protects blood vessels, but also reduces the risk of serious cardiovascular conditions like heart attacks and heart failure. Many studies have shown that consuming a spoonful of raw honey daily can help reduce LDL levels while increasing good cholesterol, HDL, contributing to optimal heart health. Warnings and precautions. When using honey. 1. Do not overuse honey. Honey is a natural food with many health benefits, but excessive consumption can be harmful. Honey contains natural sugars, including fructose and glucose, which can raise blood sugar levels if consumed in large quantities. This may increase the risk of weight gain, obesity, and even diabetes if not properly controlled. Recommendation: limit your intake to 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey per day to reap the benefits without harming your health. 2. Be cautious with children under 1 year old. One crucial point that many people may not know: do not give honey to children under 1 year old. Honey can contain Clostridium botulinum spores, a type of bacteria that can cause botulism, a rare but very dangerous form of food poisoning, especially in infants. The digestive system of children under 1 year old is not fully developed to destroy these spores, leading to a risk of poisoning. Note: never give honey to infants under 1 year old, even if it has been processed. 3. Choose raw honey. When buying honey, opt for raw honey, honey that has not been heat-treated. Raw honey retains its natural enzymes, antioxidants, and other beneficial compounds, which help boost overall health. Pasteurized honey, heat-treated honey, often loses a significant amount of these important nutrients, reducing its health benefits. Warning: avoid mixing honey into very hot water, above 40 degrees 104 degrees Fahrenheit, as high temperatures can destroy the enzymes and nutrients in honey, diminishing its natural benefits. Tip: mix honey into warm water at a temperature of around 30 to 40 degrees 104 degrees to preserve its nutrients. Honey is a precious gift from nature, but it needs to be used correctly to fully harness its benefits and avoid any negative impacts on health. Always remember, too much of anything is not good, and honey is no exception. Use honey in moderation, choose high-quality raw honey, and always follow safety guidelines, especially when giving it to young children. I hope these tips will help you use honey safely and effectively. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more helpful health information. Thank you for watching, stay healthy, and see you in the next video.